Hello and welcome class 5 students. Today in this maths class I am going to show you some important maths for your first unit test syllabus. Today's class I will show you three important sums. So to begin with the first sum. In the first sum it is given that the sum of two numbers is 6732. If the numbers are equal, then find the numbers. The sum of two numbers is given as 6732. 6732 is the sum of two numbers. When two numbers are added, then we are getting 6372. But it is given that those two numbers, those two particular numbers are equal to each other. The numbers are equal to each other. Then how will we find out the numbers? We will simply divide this 6732 into 2. We will divide this by 2 and we will get each number. So let's divide this. 6732, you have to write the sum of two numbers is equal to 6732. One of them is equal to the other therefore, each number is equal to 6732 divided by 2. You will do this division and you will get 3366. 3366. So each number is 3366. One number is 3366, another number is also 3366. So each number is, this is the answer, each number is 3366. This is how we will solve the first sum. Now very quickly moving on to the next sum. In the next sum it is given that Ram and Hari together have 1600. I am rubbing the first sum in order to do the second sum. It is given that Ram and Hari, Ram plus Hari is having rupees 1600. Very good. Let's see the next part. It is given that Hari and Madhu together is having 1380. Hari plus Madhu is having together rupees 1380. In the third part, it is given that Ram and Madhu together have 1420. Ram and Madhu together have rupees 1420. You are asked to find out what is the sum of money each of them are having. What is the sum of money that Ram is having, again Hari is having and Madhu is having. You have to find out the individual sum with them, with these three people. So first we will do the total. We will do the total of these three and we are getting rupees 4400. But it is the total of what? There are 2 Ram, there are 2 Hari and there are 2 Madhu. So 2 Ram plus 2 Hari, twice of Ram plus Hari plus Madhu. That means here 2 Ram, 2 Hari and 2 Madhu sum is 4400. 4400 is the summation of twice of Ram, twice of Hari and twice of Madhu. So Ram plus Hari plus Madhu is having how much? 4400 divided by 2. Very simple. Now 4400 divided by 2 gives you 2200. That means Ram, Hari and Madhu is having 2200. 3 of them is having 2200. Now from 3 of them, if I individually subtract these 2, then I am going to get the money of 1. From Ram, Hari and Madhu, if I subtract Ram and Hari, I am going to get the amount of Madhu. From Ram, Hari and Madhu, if I subtract Hari and Madhu, I am going to get the entire amount of Ram. Again, from the sum of Ram, Hari and Madhu, if I subtract Ram and Madhu, I am going to get the entire amount of Hari. So, from 2 to 0, I am going to deduct individually these three numbers, and thus I can find out the remaining people, the remaining one's amount. So, we will do the subtraction. I am rubbing this portion of the sum and doing the second portion. So, first we will find out Madhu's portion. How much is Madhu? Madhu is equal to Ram plus Hari plus Madhu minus Ram plus Hari. Total amount was 2200 and Ram plus Hari's amount was 1600. So Madhu was having rupees 600. In this way, we will find out the amount of Hari and the amount of Ram. Now we will find Ram's amount. Ram is equal to Ram plus Hari plus Madhu minus Hari plus Madhu, that is 2200 minus 1380. So the amount I am going to get is 820. 820 rupees 820 is the amount of Ram. Now remaining is Hari. Hari is equal to Hari plus Ram plus Madhu minus Ram plus Madhu, which is equal to 2200 minus 1420. 2200 minus 1420. So 1420 we will subtract. And we are going to get 780 rupees 780. That is Hari's amount. In this way, we are going to do the calculation of this sum. Now, last sum for today. It is given that the product of two number is 1381056. Product of two number is two number is 1381056. This is the product of two number. Now, it is given that 96 is half of one number. So, one number is equal to 96 into 2, because 96 is half of one number. So, 96 into 2 we are going to get 192. 96 into 2 is 192. So one number is 192, you have to find out the other number. Therefore, the other number must be the product divided by one number. Product divided by one number. Here the product is how much? Here the product is 1381056. That divided by 192. This divided by 192. If you divide these two, you are going to get 7193 as the answer. 7193 as the answer. So answer will be 7193. The two numbers are, I am writing over here. The two numbers are 192 and 7193. 192 and 7193. These are the three important sums for today. In my next class, I am going to come up with some more important sums. So till then, goodbye.